So this is tutorial of first assignment December 19 for first semester. So in this we have already assigned you a one problem of the isometric view. You can see, so this is the model, so this is the isometric view, this is the front elevation. In this you can see this is the profile and the length of the line is 60 plus 60, 120, 30, 60, 30, 60 and 60. So first we will create this sketch of the profile. After then we will give the volume, or we can say extrude by 60. So we will complete this model in Fusion 360. First we will start in this is origin and xyz axis, also xy xz yz planes. Also from this you can view side view, bottom view, top view. Okay, so now we will move on to the problem first. And this, as this is the problem and this is the front, so first we will select the plane xy and we will create the sketch. So first we will select the plane, after then we will go to sketch. So this is the normal view. So in this you can see, in this create there are various commands: line, rectangle, circle, arc, polygon, ellipse, slot, spline, conic curve, point, text, fit curves, mirror, circular pattern, rectangle pattern, project, and sketch dimensions. So these are all creates, and this is modification like flat, trim, break, extend, scaling, offset, move, and this is constraint: horizontal, coincident, tangent, equal, parallel, perpendicular, fix, midpoint, concentric, collinear, symmetry, and curvature. So first we will select line. After then we will make a horizontal line of 120 mm. As you can see, in this line you will able to see the length and the angle with the horizontal line. So we will, and you can select this by tab, like 120 tab 0 degree, because we want a horizontal line. So we'll just give 0. So this is horizontal line and total length of this line is 120. And you can adjust the dimensions like this. And now we will make a line of 30 mm. Now next 60 mm. Next 30 mm. Next 60 mm. And now finally we will join this. So we have to close this entity, so the sketch should be closed, otherwise there will be a problem in when we complete the sketch and we'll go to 3D modeling. Then there will be a problem if the sketch is not closed, so we have to check. After then we will finish the sketch. So this is finished sketch. Now this you can see, this is a closed sketch, and this we will select this profile. And also in this side you can see there is an area 5400 mm square. Now we'll give extrude, and the extrude in the question is given as like 60 mm. So this is 60 mm. We will say okay. Now this is the complete. You can see different views. This is top view. So different view you can see. And if you want to come on the home, then just click on the home and you will be come to this point. Now you have to save this model. In this name you have to write your enrollment number, and in this second location